Hi everybody, it's Marin with 321 Strong, and we're going to be using our 321 Strong foam roller to roll out our glutes. To begin, you want to find a flat, even surface to set the roller down on, and we're actually going to sit on the roller. So bring your hands behind you and take one leg, cross it up over the knee like you're doing a glute stretch. And then what I like to do is shift slightly to that side so that we're flat on this glute. From here, we're going to roll up to the top of the glute, kind of where it meets the lower back, and then roll all the way down over that sits bone. So from here, we're gonna breathe in nice and deep. If we do find a nice hot spot or a trigger point, we wanna stop there and just breathe for 30 seconds, try to relax that muscle. But once you're done, we're gonna roll from the top and down to the bottom for 10 total times. And also, don't forget to switch and do the other side as well.